Welcome. This is Beyond the Hub of News Entertainment. We are going to make list of famouses who regret their decisions. Welcome again. I am Julia.
7 celebrities who now publicly regret their famous tattoos. Number 7. Pete Davidson. Pete Davidson once treated his body like a scrapbook, over 100 tattoos capturing wild memories, relationships, and impulsive moments. But when he stepped into serious acting, those quirky inks became a problem, costing him hours in makeup just to cover them up. Realizing the toll, he chose the painful, years-long path of laser removal, even erasing intimate tributes like "My Girl is a Lawyer," once dedicated to Kim Kardashian. His advice? Think before you ink. Davidson's story shows how a funny or meaningful tattoo today can become tomorrow's regret. Number 6. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber has many tattoos, but one he clearly regrets is the portrait of his ex-girlfriend Selena Gomez on his wrist. At the time, it felt like a sweet and romantic gesture, but after their breakup in 2018, the tattoo became a constant and awkward reminder of the past. Bieber even tried to shade parts of it to make it less obvious, but fans still recognized Selena's face instantly. Things became even more uncomfortable when he married Hailey Baldwin, as the tattoo continued to spark comparisons. It's a reminder that love can fade, but a tattoo can stay forever. Number 5. Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba was just 17 when she got a flower tattoo on her neck, and she's been trying to remove it ever since. Even after laser treatments, the ink remains visible and stubborn. Alba admits she's so irritated that it won't fade. Experts suggest the deep saturation and ink type make it especially tough to erase. Despite wealth and access to the best treatments, complete removal isn't guaranteed. Her regret is a cautionary tale. Tattoos may seem fun in youth, but the commitment is serious. Number 4. Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg spent 5 painful years removing his tattoos, describing the laser process as feeling like hot bacon grease on his skin. He didn't do it just for his acting career, where certain roles required a cleaner look, but also to set a better example for his children. As he became more spiritual and matured, he realized the tattoos no longer reflected who he was. Wahlberg now advises younger stars like Post Malone to think carefully before getting inked. Tattoos may seem cool at the moment, but regret and removal are both slow and painful. Number 3. Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner's most regretted tattoo is also her tiniest, a hidden meow inked inside her lower lip during a night of drinking. What started as a playful, impulsive joke quickly turned into a lingering source of embarrassment. Jenner later admitted the decision was stupid and heavily influenced by alcohol. Though inner lip tattoos tend to fade over time, they're still permanent and can heal unpredictably. Her experience is a reminder that even small concealed tattoos deserve serious thought. Number 2. Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp's tattoos reflect his intense relationships, but some became symbols of regret. When he was dating actress Winona Ryder, he famously got "Winona Forever" inked on his arm. After their breakup, he altered it to "Wino Forever" to move on from the painful memory. Later, during his marriage to Amber Heard, he tattooed her nickname Slim on his knuckles. But after their highly publicized and messy divorce, he changed it to Scum. These transformations show how tattoos made during emotional highs can turn into lasting reminders of heartbreak. Number 1. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj got her first tattoo at just 16, a set of Chinese characters meaning "God is with me always." At the time, it felt powerful and meaningful, but as she grew older, Nicki began to regret the decision. She admitted that as a teenager, she didn't fully understand the permanence of tattoos and now believes people should wait until at least 21 before getting inked. Her mother had warned her against it, but she ignored the advice. As Nicki's career and image evolved, the tattoos started to feel out of place and no longer matched who she had become.
Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye, have nice and good time you and your family.